Welcome to the Advanced JavaScript course with TypeScript. Why do we need to learn JavaScript along with TypeScript? As developers, have we ever had the experience of working over an old project? The JavaScript code was messy, undocumented, and unorganized. It could take weeks to fully understand the whole project. At that moment, you wish you could throw away the old code base and start from the scratch, all because JavaScript is a very flexible programming language, mostly due to its dynamic nature. How can we as developers to write a clean, organized, and scalable code, not untangling spaghetti one? In this course, I will teach you everything you need to know. This course is beginner-friendly, and it does require basic understanding of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. You will learn from basic to advanced JavaScript concept with easy-to-follow practical projects. Soon you will become a better modern JavaScript programmer. Now let's get started.